This is literally super easy.
Yeah, it is.
If you're still struggling to use Canva in 2025, you're missing quite a lot. Many channels are making how to do this or that using Canva, but you'd be surprised when I tell you that you only need to learn these fundamental basics about Canva in order to understand how to use this powerful tool to your own advantage. If you're new to this channel, hello. We are Easy Tutorials. We make quick and easy videos to help you understand how groundbreaking Canva is and how it can make your life so much easier with its integrations, automations, templates, and more. By the end of this video, you'll have a thorough knowledge on how to navigate Canva's homepage, how to use each button tools and apps, and most importantly, you'll be expected to be able to make your own design from scratch or customizing templates from Canva. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. Let's dive in. So what you want to do first is to head over to your Canva account. If you don't have one yet, just go to canva.com and make your free account using your Gmail or other accounts. Now, once you're inside, you might feel kind of overwhelmed of all the buttons, colors, and tools you'll see on the main dashboard, but don't worry, because I'm going to walk you through each one of them. So let's start with the most basic and the easiest way around Canva. If you hover your cursor here in the middle, you'll see a line of buttons which corresponds to a specific project. Once you click on it, it'll open a variety of ready-made templates you can use, but you can also choose a blank canvas with the correct dimensions already set for your project. Just click on the one you like, and it'll automatically open into a new tab where you can work on your design. See? Was that so hard? It's only been a few minutes, and you already know how to open a canvas, where to find templates, and start customizing them. Now, there are a lot of other things you can do within this tool, like uploading your entire brand assets for easy access when you're in the middle of designing and don't want to go through your files. With just a few clicks, you can already use your brand logo, color palette, and apply your own typography. Now, before we dive in to working on a real project, I want to share with you the newest update Canva has to offer, which will leave you totally speechless. I'm talking about Canva's Design School. This new update allows users to take up design courses on specific niches like marketing, social media management, and many more. After finishing each course, they will grant you a certificate of completion, which you can then add to your credentials as an aspiring designer. If you want to know more about how to take these courses the right way, we made a step-by-step guide to help you guys. Just click on the pop-up that will appear on your screen. Now let's try to work on a real project. Let's say you want to make a presentation for a simple product campaign. Just click on Create on the left-hand panel, and on the search bar type in Presentation, then click the result that shows. Now once you have your blank canvas, and you don't know where to start, head over to Design on the left-hand panel, and on the search bar, type in any keyword related to your presentation. Choose the one you like, and it'll instantly show onto your canvas. Now, once you have a template, you can now start customizing it. If you click on a text, you'll see that a toolbar will appear, which corresponds to different ways to modify your text. This one right here is where you can change the font. Here, you can adjust the size, and this one changes the color of your text. These two are very basic. They make your text bold or italic. Then you have alignment, and you can also turn your text into bullet points. You can adjust the spacing of your text either between the letters or the lines. If you click on this icon, you can adjust the transparency. Now on to the more advanced features for text modification. You can use this feature called effects to elevate your text and change its appearance, whether by adding shadows, glow, glitch, or even warping it into a curved line. You can also animate your text, which is especially useful when creating a presentation. Now, this one is one of the most important tools, the position tool. Here, you can send an element, text, video, or photo backward or forward, giving you full control over your design. If you look at this image right here, you will notice the shape is perfectly cut. But if you right-click and select Detach Image, you will see that a frame was used. Frames are one of the most powerful elements to learn because they make it so much easier to fit images, videos, and other elements into your canvas. Just drag your photo onto it, and it will instantly snap inside the frame. Now let's work on this entire design and make it our own. Once you're done, click on Share on the top right corner and hit on Download. Then choose the format of your presentation. If you have animations or transitions, it is best to download it as PPTX or MP4. But if you want a static version, simply select PDF Standard for the best quality. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. Now you know how to use Canva. The only thing that's left to ask is when will you start moving? If you think this video helped you in any way, leave a comment down below and I'll see you on our next video.